Hello everyone. Today I have bought for you this amazing grammar book that has helped me in every exam, including my state civil services exam. And I go to it every time there's a grammatical doubt that crops up. In this video, I'll go through the contents of the book and also the chapters. So let's begin. The name of the book is A Textbook of Higher English Grammar and Composition by P.K. De Sarkar. Coming to the contents page, let's see the chapters. It definitely includes the 7 parts of speech, sentence, pronouns, verbs, tenses, voice, verbal or non-finite verbs, difference in the use of few words, use of some words and phrases, same words used as different parts of speech, idioms, idiomatic uses of a few words, and etc. But I have not included all of the chapters in this video. I've only included some selective chapters. So let's see the first chapter that I have included in the video. Use of some words and phrases. Use of some words like among and between, since, for, from, ago is puzzling sometimes. This chapter is a bit elaborate on these types of words. Now coming to the second chapter, same words used as different parts of speech. I'll suggest you read these lines slowly. It will serve you many purposes. First, use of same words as different parts of speech. Second, use of first person, second person, third person in a sentence. And number 3, use of phrases, etc. Now another chapter that I have included in this video is prepositions. Prepositions are very confusing sometimes. They can change the meaning of the sentence in what I say a very funny way. Words like of, for look small, but they can be very powerful. They can change the meaning of the sentence. So this chapter is just for that. Coming to the next chapter of direct indirect narration. There are many examples here in this book of optative sentences, exclamatory sentences, etc. Now the next chapter is miscellaneous corrections, which they ask rather in many exams. Please go through them slowly and you will definitely thank me. And here comes the famous idioms. We need them every day in our conversations, in writing, anything. There are many examples with meanings within the brackets in this book. We'll come to the next chapter of degree of comparison. Here you'll find positive, comparative and superlative sentences in various types here with many examples, and these are also very important in exams. In this chapter, synthesis or joining of sentences may not be very essential, but still I've included it in this video. You can check it. Coming to the next chapter, difference between words which sound similar when pronounced or have slight variations in spelling. There are meanings with examples for such words in the book which are very helpful. Also, I've included this chapter on synonyms. The next chapter is quite a precise chapter and fulfills our doubt to a large extent. And our concluding chapter is substitution of single words for phrases or clauses. This is what we called one word for many in school. This also has some few examples. You can go through them. I've only included some selective chapters for you in this video. The book contains more chapters which you can check in the content page. If you want to buy this book, The link is given in the description box. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye.